Now I'll take up one more question regarding hidden goodwill, where besides capital there are some more adjustments to be made in the old partner's capital account. They are called adjusted capitals. Adjusted capital means capital prior or before the admission of new partner. In that case, besides the capital of the old partners, you have to add general reserve, profit and loss account credit balance, workman compensation reserve, investment fluctuation reserve, and subtract any goodwill appearing in the books, any PL account debit balance, any advertisement suspension account. After ascertaining that figure, you will add that to the capital of the new partner to find the capital of the new firm is. We'll apply this in question number 63 on page 3.165. Following figures have been extracted from the books of X and Y, whose share profits and loss in the ratio of 7:3. X's capital 3 lakhs, Y's capital 1,50,000, reserves being 1,60,000, profit and loss account 40,000. It is not mentioned credit balance or debit balance. It will be considered credit balance, means accumulated profits. Advertisement expenditure account 10,000. On this date, they admit Z for 1/5 share, and the new profit sharing ratio agreed is 3:1:1. Z brings in 3 lakhs as his capital. Pass the necessary journal entry, a single entry for recording the goodwill. Now, since they have given the old ratio and new ratio in the question already, we can find the sacrificing ratio by applying the formula old ratio minus new ratio. Now, old ratio is 7/10 minus 3/5 of X gives you 1/5. Gives you 110. Just correct that. 110. Y share 3/10 old minus new 1/5 gives you 110. That is 1:1. So sacrificing ratio is 1:1. Then you have to find what is the capital of the firm should be based on Z's share. Z's capital is 3 lakhs. His share is 1/5. So reciprocal of that will give you the total capital of the firm should be 15 lakhs. Now there is a question that besides capital there are some adjustments, but the new capital should be adjusted capitals of old partners plus new partners capital. So first we'll find what is the adjusted capital. Capitals of X and Y. We'll add general reserve or reserves, PL account, profits gives you 6,50,000. Advertisement suspense account or advertisement expenses account is an asset. It will be deducted 10,000. It will be borne by the partners. So 6,40,000 is the capital is on Z's admission. Therefore, this is the adjusted capital, not the new capital. Now we find the new capital. Capital after adjustment plus new partners capital give you the capital of the firm is on Z admission. Goodwill will be 15 lakhs. Capital should be minus capital is none equal to gives you goodwill of 5,60,000. Now you can find Z share of goodwill. 5,60,000 into 1/5 gives you 1,12,000. Now the sacrificing ratio is 1:1. We can pass the journal entry. It will be new partners current account debit to old partners capital account in the sacrificing ratio. So Z's current account will be debited with share of goodwill, which comes to 1,12,000. To X's capital account, to Y's capital account, divide by 2, because since they are equal, 56,000 each will be credited, being adjustment of Z's share of goodwill to X and Y's capital account in their sacrificing ratio of 1:1. That is all for today.